Waec 2021 and 2022 number-based questions. So this question, the first one, number one, was asked in Waec 2021, while the second one was asked in Waec 2022. Okay, so let's solve the questions the Waec asked concerning number-based. So the first one says, simplify 1 base 2 to the power of 2. So it simply means power means multiply this number itself. So this is 1 base 2 to the power of 2, right? Everything here to the power of 2. Okay, so this equals 1 base 2 times itself 1 base 2. And how do we do this? Let's multiply 1 times 1. And remember, we're multiplying in base 2 number. So 1 times 1 is 1. We write our 1. 1 times this second one is 1. 1 times 1, 1 times 1. And then we add. Okay, so 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is, okay, here is 1. Here is 1 plus 1, which is 2. Then when we convert this 2 to base 2, we have 1 remainder 0. We have 0 remainder 1. And from top bottom, we have 1, 0. So this is, we write our 0 here and take 1 here. And the same thing, 1 plus 1 is 1 and 0. So we write 0 here and bring our 1 here. So our answer is equal, the first answer is equal to 1001 base 2. So this is it for 1 to the power of 2. We just multiply it together and then add. Okay, so the next one. Second one say 432 base 5 to base 3. So this is 432. Remember, 432 base 5. Remember, we first convert it to base 10. So 0, 1, 2. And this is 4 times 5 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 5 to the power of 1 plus 2 times 5 to the power of 0. And this gives us 4 times 25 plus 3 times 5 plus 2 times 1. And this would give us 4 times 25 is 100 plus 3 times 5, 15 plus 2. So 100 plus 15 plus 117 base 10. Okay, next thing is to convert this base 10 to base 2. So 117 convert to base 3. So we're dividing by 3. 3 divide 11, which is 3 remainder 2. 3 divide 27, which is 9 remainder 0. Then 3 divide 13, which is 4 remainder 1. 3 divide 4, which is 1 remainder 1. 3 divide 1, which is 0 remainder 1. And from bottom to top, we have this should give us equal 11100 base 3. Okay. So these are how you solve your questions. You remember Waec, except is objective, but in Waec, most of the questions in the OBJ are show working. So if you're asked to show your working, this is actually how you solve it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, drop a comment. See you in the next video.